Hi everyone, we're back here in Sandy Shark 32 channel. So I got this from Ross. This is a kit, model kit, plastic model kit from Dragon Ball Z Bandai Namco for 15 bucks. Before last year it's only like less than 10, and now because of the inflation they're making it 15. And it's gonna be like we're going to build San Goku. I don't know, because of our failed SH Figure Arts hunt. So we're gonna try to build this as an SH Figure Arts. So let's try opening this. I haven't tried opening some of the model kits for action figures. We're gonna try if it's the same as the Gundam that we used to have. The one for Gundam is too small. The one over 144, I don't recommend you buying that because building it's too complicated, but it's too small for you to build. So I don't recommend the ratio of 1 over 144. Don't buy it. I'm telling you. So this is how we build Son Goku. Same as the Gundam, but this one is 6 inches, so it's kind of big. 6 inches figure. This is Son Goku model kit. So we're gonna do step by step. It's gonna take an hour, I think. What do you think? Should we build it now or build it later? I think we should do it now. This is fun. So right now it's we have to time our video. Right now it's 1 minute. And I hope we finish it before we go to sleep. So let's open some of the stuff. I think doing a model kit like this, you have to be careful of some of the tiniest figures. So they have their numbers, so be careful not losing it. Once you lose one, then you failed everything. So don't lose it. So something's loose here. Where does this go? It's the 5, I think, huh? I think it's the 5. Let's put it there. Don't lose that. We haven't started, everything is loose, so it's a no-no. Model kit is fun. If you like to build or something, build your own figure. They're charging you 15 bucks for you to build their figure, like you are the assembler. If you're gonna assemble the figure, you should at least charge your model kit like 5 bucks, right? Because you can buy this figure for 20 bucks. Might as well do the assembled one already. Okay, so we'll save that one. That one is broken. So let's get our model kits, and I'll be back to get our model kit accessories. Alright, so I found the kit, our model kit here. You need to have a tool in order for you to properly assemble your model kits. You need a tool to do it. This, the clipper, that's it. Just the clipper is fine. So first, first two black and white, something like that. Telling you how to assemble it. Okay, we should do the head first. The head, it says there. Let's do the head. So what's the head? We did it! Yay! We did it! It's on Goku. And guys, we did it for 2 hours. Exactly. 2 hours. For this kind of model. So guys, thank you for watching our video for 2 hours. Thank you for staying with me without me saying a word. I was gonna say, oh. Hang on. This is fun. Model kit is fun. I was gonna say bye. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sandy Shark 32. Peace.